What is up, my friends? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clean an old dusty wooden bookshelf. First thing you want to do, if you got any cobwebs, just get you a little broom and knock down any cobwebs. Knock them all off with your broom. Maybe sweep the side here. Get in here. Knock out any of those cobwebs. Don't forget as well to wipe out the top. And also the side. We'll wipe out the back here. And all I'm using to clean with here is a damp microfiber cloth. That's it. No chemicals necessary. Last one. Now, for whatever reason there was gunk or stuck on stuff that was hard to get off, you can always use something like this to help you along. This is called Orange Glow Wood Furniture 2-in-1 Clean and Polish. So this will help clean off that gunk, and also polish it up and make it look nice. So afterwards, now that it's finished, you can spray this on there and wipe it down with a separate cloth if you want to polish it up and shine it up some. Then go for it. That, my friends, is how to clean your wooden bookcase.